Alright, another thing. This top dead center on the crank. My little indicator, my little socket, it's like two sockets, extenders put into one, is at the highest point. Alright, I'm about to turn. Alright, top dead center on the crank. Timing marks is at 15. One more rotation. Let's watch the piston go up. Alright, top dead center on the crank is at 44 mark. Both. And pistons up. Top dead center on the cams. Right at the marker. But the piston is down. The bottom side, I can feel it, is bottom. So will this be the middle pistons be at the top? I guess this is how the last owner of this engine, whoever he took it to, or he did it himself, I don't know, but it was the IS300 that has the 2JZ-GE engine in it. I'm trying to figure out what I need to do to reset the top dead center points. I'm trying to see if I have to take off the cams and rotate them, like rotate the crank to be top dead center, and then the cams will be the same, but I have to take all of these out to keep the pistons on the inside behind here from hitting the exhaust, the valves, bent valves. I'm trying to figure out the bent valves portion. I'm not too sure on it yet, but I've been cranking to find the top dead center this, and there hasn't been anything other than just the compression part that I can feel when I'm cranking. You guys let me know what I need to do. Thank y'all.